Alright, it's a bit of a rainy day today. We still got a few attendees at the Ultimate Bee Bar. Just looking for scraps. It was rainy last night, so most of the sugar got washed out. There's nothing for them now, but they're waiting. So I'm going to get some little sugar and water. Got a bit of water here. I'm just trying to remember to rest my phone on. Grab my tripod. There we go. Okay, buddy. I know this is what you've been waiting for. Dude, you're gonna have to get out of the way. I'll give you a little water too, because I know you like liquid sugar. This just had some apple juice left in it from yesterday. I'm not sure. Well, there's still a bit left, but I don't know if this guy's asleep or what. Is this guy sleeping? They have interesting sleep cycles. I think he's taking a nap, but I'm not sure. I'm just going to leave him there. I was going to clean out that feeder, but I'll just let him chill here for a bit. Tuck him in so he gets a little protection from the wind and rain. Alright, well, we'll see how today works out. See if we get much attendance even though the weather's poor. Have a good day.